Online selling myths Filipinos still believe. Some beliefs are keeping Filipinos stuck in online selling, and no one talks about them. Today, let's break down common online selling myths and replace them with truth. Hello, my name is Divine Corcio. I'm a Filipino entrepreneur helping Filipinos sell online in the US. This video is brought to you by Prep for You Services, The Follow Hub, Gawang Kame US, DCS Digital Consultancy and Services. Myth number 1. You need big capital. Myth number 2. Only Americans can sell in the US. Myth number 3. You must do everything yourself. Myth number 4. If it fails once, it won't work again. Myth number 5. Online selling is passive from day one. Truth requires patience. Truth requires systems. If you've been discouraged, it doesn't mean you're incapable. It means you were misinformed. I created a beginner-friendly online selling guide to help Filipinos start with clarity. Download it below. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. I created a beginner-friendly online selling guide to help Filipinos start with clarity. Download it below. Thank you for watching. Next week, we go deeper into Amazon FBM systems and mistakes to avoid.